Hello everyone, today I'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 2. On Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? Let us find. On Monday only 169 people went. Therefore, decrease in the number of people. On Sunday, on Sunday, on Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. Went to the zoo. On Monday 169 people went to the zoo. Went to the zoo. Therefore, decrease in the number of people. Therefore, decrease in the number of people. Decrease in the number of people. Decrease in the number of people. Decrease in the number of people is equal to 845 minus 169. That is 845 minus 169. 169. 9 6 15. Carry 1 6 1 7. 7 and 2 676. That is decrease the number of people is equal to 676 is equal to 676. 676. Therefore, percentage decrease. Therefore, percentage decrease. Percentage decrease is equal to decrease in the number of people. Decrease is equal to decrease in the number of people. The number decrease in the number of people divided by number of people. Number of people on Sunday. Into 100% into 100%. Now here you will use decrease the number of people is 676. It is 676. And number of people on Sunday was 845. 845. 845 into 100% into 100. percent. If we divide it by 5, 100%. Dividing it by 5, 5 and 5, 34, 5 6 30, 5 9 45, 5 to 10, it is 0, 169, 169. If it is multiplied by 4, then we are getting 4 9 36, 3, it is 6, 4 6 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 2, yes 7, 4 plus 2, 6, 676. That means 169. Or you can divide by 13 also. Or you can do in this way also. It is directly by 2 or by divided by 13 also. Suppose we are dividing by 13, 13 is 69, we know that. And if we divide this number by 13, 13 5 is 65, 26, 13 2 is 26. Now 13 4 is 52, because 13 into 4, 3 4 is 12, 4 is 4 plus 52. That is 13 4 is 52, 13 1 is 13, and 13 4 is 52. That is 4 to the 80%. 80%. And that is the answer. Therefore, percentage decrease is 80%. Right? What is the percent decrease? 80% decrease. Therefore, the answer is 80%. 80% decrease. 80% decrease in the people. Decrease in the people. In the people visiting the Jew. Visiting the Jew. The Jew on Monday. On Monday. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And thank you everybody for watching this video.